Hello, lovelies. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Welcome back to Immaculate Show channel. I've got some exciting news for those who are looking for funding opportunities. I'm going to tell you about the Garasi Grant. You remember, I've been talking about the Garasi Grant more than once, because it is always there. This grant is always there on an annual basis, even on a monthly basis. But this Garasi Grant of worth $4,250 is here now, and we're almost reaching the end of it, as in terms of the deadline for the month of September. So here I am. I'm coming to remind you, because I was reminded by the girls grant this morning with an email, and I felt, no, why not talk to Immaculate Shop people? There are some people who are there who have their businesses. There are some people who have the need, who have the ideas for you to start your idea, to make your idea grow. Why not give you this chance? This Currency Grant, it offers you a chance to receive $4,250 in funding. When we talk about funding, we mean total, or we mean a grant that you're not going to invest in anything like money. You're not going to put in anything like application fee. And when we're talking about a grant or funding, there are different ways. I always tell you of you getting a grant. There are grants that are gotten from gotten from government. There are grants that are gotten by given by individuals, and even there are grants that are given by NGOs. So this one is given by NGO, and it is free of charge, non-refundable. So the deadline is coming very quickly. That's why I've come today. It is in a 1 week's time as you watch this video. That is 30th September. So if you're looking for financial support, you guys, now it's the time for you to act. Just let's dive in and see how we can get this grant. And don't forget this, you guys. This grant is so simple. You can get this grant within 30 seconds. We're not talking about minutes. We're not talking about hours. It is 30 seconds. What is the Garasi Grant, you guys, here? For every person that is new on this channel, that it is your first time to hear about Garasi Grant, we've been talking about it, but let me tell you about it once again. The Garasi Grant is a financial award designed to help individuals and entrepreneurs or small businesses with $4,250 in funding. Garasi Grant is there to help the minority and also to help the women specifically to push their dreams and their businesses. Whether you're in need of money to launch your project, or you want your money to grow your business or invest in a personal development, the grant could be the game changer for you. The best part is there is no complicated application. It will take only 30 seconds, and it's open for a wide range of people and a wide range of nationalities. Let's see exactly who can apply, because you need to know before you do anything. You are very free to apply, and I'm going to take you through the application process, as you'll be seeing on our screen very soon. So if you're working on something meaningful that could use financial support, if you are a mother, if you're a woman, or you are in that group of minority people who cannot afford to build their project or to build their idea and their dreams, this is a chance for you. Let's see now. The good news is that this application is super simple. There are no things that are going to disturb you. As I told you, I'm going to be shortly, I'm going to be taking you through the way you can do the application. It takes only 30 seconds. What you need is to visit the official Garasi Grant website, as it is seen on our screen, as you can see it on our video. This is the exact Garasi Grant website, and you'll find it in our video description, even in the comment section. And if you want to know more about this, please write it also in the comment section. The grant website, go there and fill out your application form. There is no shortcut. There are no other things. Yeah, with this grant, or with Garasi Grant, it has other grants. Like there's another grant of $1,000 that is running also and ending on 30th. But right now we are concentrating more on the one of $4,250. You will need to provide some basic information about you. There are not very many. It's about your name, it's about where you come from, whether you have a business, and also a person who referred you. The best part here, why they're asking you the person who referred you, can you imagine? It is not only $4,250 that is going to be given, but the moment you put a person who referred you or where you had it from, like the way you've had it from Immaculate, sure, if it is your first time to hear, when you're putting your form, when you're filling your form, please write Immaculate Show or Christine. The moment you get that fund, even me, I'll benefit from it. I'll be rewarded the same money that I'm going to give you, which is $4,250. Make sure to be clear and concise. By the way, it is even closed ended application that I will not go in details to tell you that. Make sure you become clear, you become concise and application. No, that step of will come later when you have already finished this step. If you pass through this step, the first step, then other steps you'll also need to know how to do them. But the thing I always tell you, what you do, you need to craft your submission as early as right now as you're listening to us. Just head over to your browser and put there Garage Grant form. Then you fill the application. The filling of application will come at the end of this video with me, such that it can be registered and you'll stand a chance to get that $4,250. Remember, the clock is ticking today. As you watch this video, before 30th, you should be very, very prepared. Now, can I tell you something? As you're going to really to apply for this, I want you to do something for me. You might stand a chance to win this grant. So there is another step that you'll be asked to electrify, to talk about yourself and other things. So you need to go backstage. If you know you didn't have a business plan, if you know you are not prepared at all, please prepare about your specified data, like your planning, your business, your project. You highlight your goals, you make sure you know your passion and other things, such that the moment you finish this, you can easily finish, or you can also do the second one. So let's dive in together and I show you exactly how the application looks like, website looks like. Yes, when you open it, you'll find it like this. Yeah, what you do, go to your browser as we talked, and you put Garage Grant. It will bring the interface like this. What we need to do is to go straight and do application. The application will take 30 seconds. So let's see how the application looks like. Hope you're with me. This is the application. It will ask you your email. Just go ahead and put your email. Yes, it will ask you your name. So after putting your email, you go, like me, you can see how I'm putting mine. That is christine@that.com. Then I go and put my names, the first name and the second or the last name. Then you head down. There's somewhere they're going to ask you, do you have a business? There's a drop down. But before that, you have to put your zip code. Zip code. If you don't know the zip code, write it in the comment section. After that, they're going to ask you your ethnicity. They're giving you Dropbox. The Dropbox, they're giving you selections, different selection. You can be this or the other or other. If you're an African like me, then your gender, there you can be a woman, but some of you are both women and men. So go ahead and put it. Referred by who? If you really seen it from me alone, put my name. And me, I'm putting a name of a person I heard about it some years back, not even yesterday. Then from there, you go ahead, you agree with the terms and conditions. After agreeing with the terms and conditions, you just submit. These are the people who last won this grant. I happen not to be among. Yes, enter and success. Your grant application has been received. So we're going to wait after 30th of September. We see who is going to win this. Don't forget, I told you to put my name on referral, such that if you win, I can also get that 4,250. If you want to go ahead, please go ahead and read the website. So lovelies, as you've seen the way the application looks like, this is very simple. I know you can do it. Everybody can do it. Remember, this is your time. Never give up. You can try it and fail. You try it and fail. Next time you might pass through. I've failed it like 3 to 4 times, but I don't give up. I always try and try. As you saw, as I was recording this video, I was also doing the application. All right, now this is everything that you really need to know about GARS grant of $4,250. The deadline is 30th September, so be sure to get your application in as soon as possible before 30th of September. If we found this video you guys helpful, I would love you to share it to your friends. Let them also put you as their referral person. Let people know that there's somewhere they are giving free, we can call it free money. There's somewhere people are giving out, touching the hands of those people who have brilliant and good ideas. This video is there to stay. You can always refer to it, and don't forget to go to our comment section and put your mind on this grant, even on other related grants or other related apps, making money online. You know, Immaculate Show, we are there to inspire you, so kindly be free to tell us what you want us to bring for you in another video. You can also go ahead and tell us where you think we can improve, and you also tell us if you think it is okay with you, you can also tell it to us. We love you so much. Let's meet you in another video.